Oh, am I meant to press it? Oh, Q. Okay. Oh my god. Was this the favourite part that you were talking about? My god. At least he can say to his son, at least he can say to his son when he gets him back, I cut off my finger for you. Oh, the screams are so authentic, it's crazy. Oh yeah, it is. It's like he actually did it in real life. He's gonna go back to that hotel room now, he's gonna bleed out. Well, not bleed out, but I mean, Madison's gonna come in again and be like, I'm gonna have to disinfect your wounds again.